Hi, everyone! This video will show you how to fix OneDrive deleting files automatically on Windows 10 or 11 in 4 ways. Fix 1. Restore deleted files from Recycle Bin. Right-click on the OneDrive icon from the System tray. Select Settings. Go to the Account tab. Click on Unlink this PC. Hit Unlink Account to confirm this operation. Open Recycle Bin to find the deleted file. Right-click on it to choose Restore. Fix 2. Check your hard drive for bad sectors. Press Win and R to open the Run box. Type Command and press Ctrl, Shift, Enter to launch an elevated command prompt. In the command window, type the on-screen command and hit Enter. Remember to replace J with the target drive letter. Fix 3. Reinstall the OneDrive client. Open Control Panel. Under Programs, click on Uninstall a program. Right-click on OneDrive and select Uninstall. Wait for its completion. After that, search OneDrive for Windows on your browser. Select the best match. Download and install OneDrive from scratch. Fix 4. Update Windows. Press Win and I to open Windows settings. Find Update and Security and then hit it. In the Windows Update tab, click on Check for updates. If some updates are detected, download and install them on your computer. Suggestion: backup files in the local with MiniTool ShadowMaker. Launch MiniTool ShadowMaker. Click on Keep Trial. Go to the backup page. Select Source. Hit Folders and Files. Select the files you want to back up. Hit OK to return to the backup page. Go to Destination to select a storage path for the backup. Click on Backup Now to initiate the process. Confirm this operation and wait for the process to complete. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.